Hey folks, welcome to this video. I hope you're really excited. Today you're going to buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, whatever you want. And I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in this video. So before we get going, let me just tell you really quick what we're going to do. So as you follow along, you kind of get an understanding for the big picture. We're going to start by going to what's called CoinBase. There's lots of, let's try that again. Cut. Hey folks, what is up? I hope you're excited today. You're going to buy your first Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum, one of the big three today. You're going to buy it. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So hope you follow along and that you're ready to use your computer. Before we get into that too far, let's take an overview look of what we're going to do so that you can kind of understand on a big scale what we're going to be doing today and why we're doing it. So the first point to understand is there are many places you can trade your fiat currency, meaning your dollar or yen or euro, for cryptocurrency. You have lots of choices. Most exchanges will do one of the big three for fiat currency, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. If you're looking for a different cryptocurrency to buy that, most likely you're not going to be able to go straight from your fiat currency into the cryptocurrency. We call those, if it's not one of the big three, we usually call those altcoins, so alternative coins. In order to do that, you're going to go to an altcoin exchange. So we'll cover all that in this video series, but today we're going to only trade our fiat currency for one of the big three. Like I said, there's many places to do that, but today I'm going to walk you through probably the biggest one out there, the most well-known one of the older ones, and probably the easiest one for you to get started with. That is called CoinBase. Most people start here. It's fast, simple, easy. And if you look in my description, if you use that link to start your Coinbase account, you'll get $10 for free when you buy your first $100 worth of cryptocurrency. So full disclosure, you get $10. It will also give me $10. If you don't like that idea, you can just go to coinbase.com and start your account from scratch. You won't get the $10. I won't get the $10. I'm cool with either way, but that link is in the description if you choose to use it. We're also today going to create a GDAX account. GDAX is owned by Coinbase, but GDAX has some more advanced features like limit buying, which is super cool, and I'll show you what to do with that in later videos. But in order to use GDAX, there's a little bit of a process, and we want to get that process started now because you need to transfer money in there and have the money in the account before you can buy currency or place a limit order. Then we're also going to start an account at Binance. This is an altcoin exchange. So as we go through the videos, we're also going to get into buying alternative coins. And in order to buy them, you'll need an account at an altcoin exchange, and there's tons of them. Binance I found to be simple. It exchanges almost all altcoins out there that you could possibly want. And we're going to start that today simply because, again, it takes a little bit of time before they'll approve your account. We've got to upload some photos and some IDs. So I'll walk you through there. Once we start all three of those and we've got the accounts going, working on getting approved, I'll show you how to go into Coinbase and walk you step by step through buying your first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin.